Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an online quote using the ExitCertified.com domain. So first of all, I'm going to navigate to the ExitCertified.com website. I'm going to identify the course that I'd like to generate an online quote for. So I'm going to go through to AWS as an example, and then I'm going to pick the AWS Tech Essentials course. Once I'm on the course, the first thing I need to do is identify the date which I would like to generate that quote for. So I'm going to go down and look at the schedule. Now I'm here at the schedule. I can see that there's a multitude of guaranteed to run dates. I'm now going to pick the January 19th, and you can see underneath the enroll button there is a generate a quote. I'm then greeted with a form, and this form is where I would enter the information for the person who wants to generate the quote. So I'm actually logged into my account. If you look across the top, you'll see my name and log out. What that means is because I have an account with ExitCertified.com, it will pre-populate that form for me based upon the last information that I used. If you don't have an account, don't fret. You can still fill that form in manually and populate that information. Or if you do think you're going to be someone who generates quotes on a regular basis using this system, I do recommend that you sign up for an account. So once you've filled in that top form, you'll notice there's some additional fields here. Are you the student? So let's say, for example, for this demo, I was going to be the student. I would check this box off. All that simply does is just identifies in the system that the person generating the quote is probably going to be the student on the course. Additionally, you'll see a field here for the General Services Administration, which is usually used for the federal and state government within the United States. So if you are part of the GSA program, again, if you check off this quote button here, this checkbox, that will ensure that the price used within the quote is relevant to the pricing for the GSA. If you are, on the other hand, an account which would like to look into account level discounts or pricing, and you do have additional training needs, I would recommend that you check off determine eligibility for an account level discount. And that will just ensure that we have that information for you. So I'm going to check off the box, are you the student? You can see here everything is populated. I have the initial course that I've expressed the date for here, that's GTR'd. And you can see add new course here. So if I wanted to add more training to this quote, I can do, and that's something I can do. If not, you just click generate quote. And you will now see here that I have the quote generated. It's a PDF. And with that PDF, I can download it. I can send it to my manager for approval. I can do a multitude of different things which I need to do. That quote will be emailed to me as well. And I can redeem the quote just by clicking this button here at any time. Now, let's say I'm ready to go and check out. I can just click the button here, add to shopping cart, and I am away. Now, let's say, for example, I've generated that quote, and I come back to the ExitCertified.com domain within the 30 days of the quote date. Up here across the bar, you're going to see Manage Online Quotes. So that Manage Online Quote will just confirm that you can view quote or add to cart at any particular time. You can come back and manage your quotes. So if you have made several quotes, again, these will all be listed within this section for up to 30 days from the date of the quotes being produced.